In today's video, we're going to take a look at the XLE sector. I think the XLE sector is triggering a really nice buy-side setup here where you have an edge, a trade that makes sense. And inside of XLE, I think there's one top holding worth trading. I'll start with talking about XLE first before I move on to sharing what that top holding is, in which I already have an automated trading entry order. Now let's start first with XLE. Inside of XLE, we've had this sell-off ever since about April of this year. With this sell-off, I'm trying to find where I think it's likely to exhaust. To answer that question, I drew out some Fibonacci levels. Comparing all of our past swings going back to that COVID swing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different levels that stood out. The first level is the one which we've currently tagged, which is near 87.50, 87.46 to be exact. The second level is near 84.20, the third level near 82.50, the fourth level near 80, and finally the fifth level down here near 71. Now 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all away from where price is currently trading. With the way XLE is shot up, I think it's likely that we get some sort of a double bottom type of bounce here, and that's what I'm looking to take advantage of for a long side setup. We've already seen 1 and 2 different oversold signals. We've also seen that 1-2 punch momentum cross setup, though that first signal was on a bearish bar. All of this is signs that we're looking for this momentum here to exhaust on the sell side and to slowly start to build momentum up for the bullish side. Now, specifically inside of XLE, I think there's one top holding which stands out here. One top holding which is giving you an edge. And that is Marathon Petroleum, number 4. If we come into a chart of MPC, you'll notice that I already have an automated trading order deployed. That's because I'm looking to buy the dip here and use that as my initial position on any pullbacks to the market pulse line. I find this automated trading order is far more effective than simply putting an alert. It allows you to get some skin in the game, and when this order actually triggers, it's your cue to actually come back to this stock and add in whatever your remaining position is in a way that I think allows you to be more focused than a simple alert, which you're much likely to ignore, maybe come back to later, or forget about altogether. This way you have some skin in the game, and that forces you to actually come in, see what is MPC, why did you buy it, and then look at that as a way to add in additional positions here. Now in MPC, the reason I'm looking to take advantage of this pullback is because of the trend. We had a strong trend for the beginning of 2024, and since XLE has been in that period of decline, you can see MPC has been following suit. With 2 days prior, we had the trend switch to that bullish market pulse, this green market pulse. That tells us that we're officially in the stage of acceleration, and we're looking for price action to start to again gravitate to the upside. For upside targets, I have 195 and 200 as that zone that I'm looking for price to get towards. I hope you found this video helpful for those of you looking for a nice setup inside of XLE. For futures traders, you can also take advantage of this idea by using our futures volatility box models and taking advantage of all of the buy side setups whenever price action falls inside of our volatility box models. That's what I'm looking to do here. Take advantage of what I think is this bullish reversal opportunity in XLE, where you're trying to play this overall fib level bounce. Any pullbacks here, any slight moves back to 87.50 in XLE is where I'm looking to add. And for specific top holdings, if we don't get that pullback or even slightly more aggressive ones, MPC is one that I have my eye on. Take care, everyone. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in our next update.